Guys, I wanted to show you this Obagi lightweight moisturizer that I use and I've purchased. I love this brand. I have a few different products from them, including their under eye serum. And I find that I buy it on repeat, and anything that they make, I am really impressed by. I was introduced to it by my dermatologist. She has it in her office, and I absolutely do trust her. This is a lightweight moisturizer that has a lot of natural ingredients, including shea butter, taro seed, and avocado. It's supposed to deliver moisture throughout the day so that your skin always stays nice and hydrated and moisturized. It's also hypoallergenic. I have eczema and rosacea, and this is definitely a product that I can use and recommend people that have sensitive skin. You can see it goes on, it's like a little bit of a yellow color. It's not like super thin, but it's definitely lightweight. It doesn't feel greasy. It feels like cooling, and it does not have a fragrance to it, so it is fragrance free. Again, I feel like I can use this anytime, even if I'm having like a bad flare up with eczema and rosacea and I don't have a problem. If you need a lightweight moisturizer, I really highly recommend this brand, and I'm very happy with this one.